Hello! In this video, we will see how to convert an article to newsletter using AI. Open up the web browser. Here search tugan.ai and open its site. Tap on the Try Now for Free button. Scroll down to rock your newsletter. Choose from Article to Newsletter Converter option. Open another tab and search Article here. Then copy the link address of any article from here and paste the link back in Interesting Article link block of tugan.ai. Select the option as Punchy Human. Then click to generate newsletter. Now you can see the video is converted into a newsletter. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.